Giovanni Trano.
And I am Ivan Ray.
So for today, we're going to set up a computer. So we have here a monitor, a system unit, the UPS, and the AVR.
And I have here the AC power supply, Doppler cord, the keyboard, switch adapter, mouse, also the VGA.
So I'm gonna put this AC power connector adapter cord in the back of the system unit. So I'm gonna put it here. And I'm gonna connect it to the UPS. Then after that, I'm going to connect the AVR to the UPS again. And this wire is for the outlet. So this is for later na.
So I have here the VGA. This will insert at the back of the system unit. And this will go at the back of the monitor. And this is the switch adapter, and this will go at the back of the monitor. And this is the switch adapter. This will go at the back of the AVR. And the keyboard. This will go here. And the mouse.
So now, since we have already collected all the connectors and the parts of the computer, now it is ready to on. So now, your computer is ready to use. And that's all. Thank you. So now, your computer is ready to use. And that's all. Thank you.